In the intricate world of nature, spiders weave breathtaking structures with silk. These silk threads tell a story of balance, strength, and delicate engineering principles. This blend of biology and technology opens doors to new realms of 3D printing. Spider silk displays characteristics that mirror the principles of additive manufacturing. With precise layers, spiders construct their silken masterpieces much like 3D printers do. Each silk thread represents a building block, much like the layers in 3D printing. By studying these natural processes, we can expand the horizons of manufacturing techniques. This bio-inspired approach integrates lessons from nature into the core of engineering. Embracing nature's designs can lead to revolutionary advancements in 3D printing technology. In weaving the future, we draw inspiration from the humble artistry of spiders.